Welcome to Dr. Imran's official. In today's video we will discuss muscle action example IV. Digit 2 to 5 extension. The primary movers involved in hand digit 2 to 5 extension are the extensor digitorum, extensor indicis, extensor digiti minimi, lumbricals, interphalangeal joints, palmar and dorsal. Interossei. Interphalangeal joints. In demonstrating the prevalence of digit extension, begin by asking students, when was the last time you used your hands? It's a silly question, of course, much like asking someone if they grabbed the steering wheel of a car lately, or picked up a cup of coffee or a phone. None of these actions would be possible without the ability to extend your fingers.